Hi everyone and welcome to Fun with Code. In this video we are going to create a QR code generator in Python. If you want more content like this, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I have already created a basic window which contains an entry and a button which says generate QR code. Now we are going to make this button functional. So what this button is going to do is it will get the text from this entry and convert the text into QR code. So we are going to create a function called generate QR code. Now we are going to use a module called QR code. So first let's go and install the module. Let's open command prompt and let's say pip install QR code, and I've already installed the module, so it says requirement already satisfied. So let's close the command prompt and import the module. Import QR code. Now we are going to make an instance of this module which will be, let's say, QR code L is equal to QR code. Now we'll get the data from the take data entry. So let's say take data dot get, and we'll store this in a variable called data. So now when we get this data, we are going to convert this data into a QR code and we are going to save the file. So let's say QR code dot make, and we are going to convert the data we get to QR code. So now we are going to save this as a PNG file. So, or we could do like this. We can just cut this part. We can just say QR code dot make here itself, and let's pass in data here. And then we are going to say QR code L dot save, and we are going to save it as QR code dot png. Now save this program, and now we are going to run this program. And now we are going to write some random text, and we are going to generate QR code. Nothing happens. So let's go to the folder in which this file exists and check for the QR code. The file is not created because we did not give the command to the button. So let's give the command to the button, generate QR code. So let's rerun the program, and now let's type some random text and generate QR code. Now let's go to our folder and let's check for QR code. Yes, we have a file, and this is our QR code. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.